So, when you first started learning about Judaism, what did you like about it?
Well, for one thing, it lets you have an immediate, I mean, if you want it, of course, it lets you have an immediate contact with God. You don't have to be mediated through a priest in order to talk to God. Or you don't have to pray to the Virgin Mary in order to be mediated. You just pray to God. And that to me is a major major plus, in Judaism. It sounds like almost like a grocery store where you pick up one cereal or another one, but I don't mean that. I mean that kind of view of the Godhead, right? That's for me a very important thing. Ethically, it's I think on a very high plane. It tries to be. I mean, the Judaism is on a very high plane. People are on that plane or below that plane as they are able, of course. But I am very attracted to that ethics. It's very people oriented, and it's very it's very oriented to your own family. I mean, aside from being people oriented altogether, it has that kind of orientation. It's not a religion in which you maybe try to keep the secrets or the truth at your own heart or near your own body, but instead you, in essence, it's a shared. It's a shared knowledge or a shared feeling also, not only the knowledge.